Hello guys, this is your lady Sandra. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's menu is okra soup with spring onions. The ingredient for the soup is okra, spring onions, chicken, crayfish, palm oil, chili, local Maggi, and seasoned Maggi. You can decide to add dry fish, stockfish. The first step is to steam the chicken. Put the chicken into the pot. Add 1 cube of Maggi and add little salt to it. Then you add a little water. You can see the one I'm using. That was the water I used to rinse the blender after blending my chili. Then you add it and cover it. Allow it to steam for a while, and that is it. Next is to add chili and ogiri. You can see now the chicken have steamed a little bit, so we add our chili. You have to be very careful the quantity of chili you add. Then you put the ogiri, that is the local Maggi, by the side inside the pot, so that you can be able to locate it when you want to squish it. So now we cover it and wait for a while. It is time to add the crayfish. Now you can see I add the crayfish. Then the next thing is to bring out the local Maggi, the ogiri, and press it with a spoon. Squeeze it very hard, very well, because most times this local Maggi, they are very hard. So the best thing to do is to steam them, heat them for a while. Then you bring it out and press it with a spoon, so that you don't, when you put it back in the pot, you will not see any trace of it. So you put it back. Now you can see I'm putting it back. Then after that, I add 500 ml of water. Note, I'm using hot water. I've already boiled the water, so I just add it. It's very easy. When you boil the water and you put it in the pot, so it doesn't take much, or it helps you cook faster. So after the water, now you cover it and allow it to boil for a while. You can see now it's boiling, so I add my palm oil. So because I'm using spring onions, it takes a lot of oil, so I need to add a lot of palm oil into it. So you add the palm oil into it carefully, and then after that, okay, so you cover it. Now it is time to add the okra, but I have to test if all the ingredients are okay now. So I test and which is okay. So now you add your okra in it. Now you can see that I've added the okra now. Then you stir it. Then the next thing is to add spring onions. Then you add the spring onions into it now. Then you stir it and stir it. You see that it's, at most you just allow it to be in the pot on the stove there for 30 seconds, and that is it. And stir it. You see that it's, at most you just allow it to be in the pot on the stove there for 30 seconds, and that is it. Now, so the soup now is ready. So the next thing is to make our fufu. The first thing you do is to add about 500 ml of water into the pot. and allow it to heat. Here with me now is the broccoli, 500 gram of broccoli. What I'm going to do is to cut this broccoli into pieces. After cutting this broccoli into pieces, I blend it. So you can see I cut both the stem all together. Since you're going to blend it, so there's no need of throwing away the stem. Anyway, some people do eat the stem too. So you cut it and put it in the blender and blend it. So when you're blending it, you add little water so that it can be very easy to blend. So that is it. This is another way of boosting your iron content in the body, that is the blood. This is another way, mostly for kids who don't like eating vegetables like that. So you blend it. You can decide to use any kind of starch. I'm using wheat here. So you turn it into the pot. Now you turn it into the pot and allow it to heat for a while. So the next thing now is to you turn around. You can see, you just wait. The moment it starts boiling, you add your starch and you turn them together simultaneously. You turn it together simultaneously. So that is it. So you can see now, so we're turning. We have to turn it together simultaneously and turn and turn. You have to be very fast too. So you add your wheat, you turn. You add your wheat, you turn. So that is it. So you can see now that it is, you can see now it's ready as I turn it. Alright guys, this is the okra soup. Thank you for watching me today. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye, see you next time.